How you doing today? I'm here with a new video. In this video we're gonna show you guys how to upgrade your RAM or replace your RAM for your HP laptop. This particular one, it's an HP 15-DA00009. Alright, so this one actually comes with an iCore 3 7th Gen. This applies to any other processors that you might have. So let's get into it. First thing first, you want to flip over your laptop and you want to grab yourself an opening tool. I really suggest you guys grab the iFixed tool set. They have all the bits that you need and even the opening tools right there. You can use the opening tools. If you guys don't have the opening tools right here, you can grab a guitar pick. It does the same thing, but the most important one are these tools right here. So first thing first, grab the opening tool and you want to lift up the plastic rubber right at the bottom from one corner and slowly, don't yank too up like this, you're gonna damage it. Just go in an angle just like that and attach it right beside it. Same thing in the back, just lift up. If the adhesive doesn't come with this one, it stays there, don't worry about it. Leave the adhesive right there, lift up, attach it. If it doesn't stick, just put it somewhere else. Now we're gonna remove all the screws, even the single screw right in front. So once we remove everything in here, I can just poke a hole through the adhesive to remove the screws. Let's go and start moving now. If it doesn't come out because of that adhesive, just leave it. As soon as you loosen them up, just leave it there. Alright, the screws they are the same size, the height, everything. So if you even remove this one, they're the same thing. So you can just pull them up or just leave them right there. Next, you want to open up your laptop just a little bit, just like that. Now you want to stick the guitar pick between the top and the bottom cover, which is right there. Okay, I don't want to stick it all the way in, just a little bit. And now you want to twist it, go around it, do the front, and do a little bit of the side, just a little bit. And the other side. Alright, once you got the side and the front, you can just close it. Now, you want to grab it from this end, hold down the hinge from here, lift it up, wiggle it around a little bit. If it doesn't come, do the other side. There, you have to pull it up a little bit. And then move it around and push it towards the USB port so you can actually let go of the plastic right there. That's your bottom cover. You can actually put a DVD right there, but because of all this plastic here, you actually have to cut everything, cut the opening, and it's a big hassle. So down here, here's the RAM. So we're gonna go straight to the RAM because the video is about the RAMs. These are a DDR4 RAM. To remove the RAMs, it's pretty easy. All you need to do to pull, you don't need to remove the battery, but if you want to remove the battery, you can just remove this screw right there, that one right there, and this one right here. And then the battery will come out. Alright? But if the power is off, you don't need to remove it. Now, what we want to do, we want to pull these two triggers apart, and the RAM is going to come in 45-degree angle. Now you can see the RAM, it just came out in 45-degree angle. What you want to do, just grab it evenly and pull it out in 45-degree angle. Just don't yank it upward because you're going to damage the contacts right there. And there we go. And if you want to put it back in, this one is an 8 gig DDR4 2400. So you're going to put it down there 45 and push it down. Now if you want to put another RAM in, it must be a DDR4, because if this is not a DDR3, if you want to stick a DDR3 right there, the notch right there, it will not match the notch on the RAM. So it must be a DDR4. You can put it the other way, so you have to flip it over to make sure the hinge, the notch right there matches the notch on the jack slot. And push it down in 45-degree angle towards the jack, all the way in, and then towards the motherboard. You're gonna hear those two clicks. Now, the best common, people always ask me regarding the RAMs, if you wanna use it for gaming or anything like that, it's good to have a dual channel. But in order to get a dual channel, you better put an 8 gig and 8 gig with the same speed. Otherwise, if the speed don't match or the gigabytes don't match, you will not have the effect of the dual channel, which is much better than having a single channel. But if you want to do a video editing or anything like that, you can go 8 gig or 16 gig over here, or 214, mix match them. That does not affect, it will still work. But the best recommended one is to put an 8 gig and 8 gig or 16, depending on how much your CPU can handle. Alright, in this video I just want to show you guys how to put it. I'm actually not gonna add the RAM, it's just for demonstration. Alright, now once you put the RAM in, you want to grab the bottom cover, you slide down the USB side down in, and then push down the side. Make sure you hear those clicks, the back. Once you hear all that, just grab the screwdriver and screw all the screws back in. And there's a trick to put these rubber pads on. I'm gonna show you guys. Alright, the trick about this one is some people say, oh, I tried to put it and it kind of stretches over and I can't just put the other end. It's because you always start from one side and try to finish it off from the same side. That's not the way you should do. You want to put this edge right there and go halfway through. Once you are halfway through, do a curve and start from the other side. So put the other side, make sure it aligns right at the edge, and then it starts going down. And then it should by itself align and get in the position. So you see, I get a little longer here because there is a stretch somewhere. So I'm gonna put it back again. I'm gonna start pushing down. I'm gonna go like this, and right there, you see, I didn't even have to move this side. So you have to go back and forward and it will align itself in, so you don't get any extras. If you start from one side, you're gonna get like about a 1 or 2 centimeter extras. Same thing on the bottom side. If I start from this side, let's see what happens. If I go straight, I put this one in there, I go straight. Look, so what happened right here? I got the plastic right over, so it's not aligning. So in order to align it, I have to lift up halfway through and put down the edge right here in the corner, and then start pushing down from this side. So you see that little bump right there? I gotta start pushing it down so it actually can align it. There we go. So if you guys keep asking me, oh, mine it just stretches, it doesn't go through because you're going from one side. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys liked it, click that thumbs up button. I really appreciate it. And if you have any question, you know where to leave them. And also, if you close it and you see this kind of gaps opening in here in front, just pinch them and it's all set. You just need to pinch those. Alright guys, thanks for watching.